know this saying that बाप बड़ा ना भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So how many of you believe in this saying? Please hands up. Okay, almost all are agreed. But I want to prove you wrong. So the thing that is bigger than money is your family. Many people say that people will come to your house and will join you and want to connect with you. But let us share the honest part of it. People want to connect you, but the intent behind this is only to connect with your money. They only want your money. They will leave you as soon as your money will leave you. If you lost your money, you lost them. And just think, if money can buy everything, then if you can buy a person as much loyal as your parents who are from whom we can do blindly trust, parents for parents by which we get so many facilities, parents who are always be there for us, whether we are wrong or right, they are always be there for us, that he is my son, he is my daughter, I have to protect him or her in his whole life. So according to me, money is not everything. I'm not saying money is not nothing. Money is a very big thing, but at the same time, it is not everything. Thank you.
Or do you think without money with parents with you survival?
So I already said that money is a big thing, but not everything.
But in your speech, you think you say that money is nothing without parents. Okay.
No, I said that you can't buy a parents like thing without money. Okay, with money.
I am saying that if like someone don't earn money, parents carry them 1 year, 2 year. After 3 year, parents give him abuse with him. Like you are not earning for 3 years, so parents will shy of you.
Yeah.
So and they abuse also. So how can you say that we leave parents blindly?
Next. Have any problem you can say with your parents? Do you have any? If you have any problem, you can share with your parents.
Yes.
Why? Maybe they will make fun of you.
No. And you are changing the topic.
I'm not changing the topic. I'm saying that we can blindly trust on them. We can trust on them, not rely. There are two words, rely and trust. We are not rely on them. We have to rely on ourselves at a stage, but we have but they are the only one who can accept our all truth, all traits.
Actually, younger guys ask very good question. If you are not earn money 2 or 3 years, your parents and you feel burden on your parents.
Yeah.
You say that if your parents know everything about you, then they can't question. No. If they know very well, they trust on him, but ask a question on your ability. Because you not earn the money. If you earn the money, it means everything will be okay.
So if you not earn the money, does your parents will abandon you?
Actually, not abandon, but he asks every time your ability. Question out on your ability. We provide you good education, very good degrees, but you can't earn. It means lack of your reason, lack of your problem.
Let me speak.
Yes.
Parents do this all because they want that after them there is no one who can care of the people of that one. Like after your parents, is there anyone for you?
Actually, I can't understand what you want to explain.
Okay. After your parents, is there anyone who is for you?
Who is for me?
After your parents, do you think there's someone else in place of your parents after you?
No.
So they know that they will die one day, and after that the person has to stand on his foot. So they are making just them
Independent.
independent at the right age.
Actually, they know everything, but his or her wishes also. He know that without money he can't survive in the society. So they always, maybe by the comments, maybe by the another things, they inspire him or her on the money.
Say I agree with you.
I agree with you. And I also said in my speech, money is a big thing and it is important to have, but it is not everything.
You can say we both are on the same page.
We both are on the same page.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, next. Please. Beta, when your opinions match, say we both are on the same page. Okay.
So Krishna Bhaiya, if you have unlimited money, what you are doing for your family, your city and your surrounding? Can you tell me?
Yeah. So, what do you mean by unlimited money? Unlimited. Any limit?
I think 2 billion, 5 billion.
5 billion. If I have 5 billion, and then I would first want to donate or invest them for donation for 4 billions.
Okay, and you have
1 billion.
What are you doing?
For myself. Then silent.
Yes. Next, more questions. Please, guys, go fast.
I have a question to you. If money everything, if yes, then why? If not, then why not?
Okay. Money is not everything because there are some things we can't purchase like our health, happiness, parents and family. But money is also not nothing because it can help us throughout the life. We are going our life because of money. You are here. Why? Because of money. So money is important.
Like you recently said about like money is everything, but if we have money, so we can buy our happiness. Like which thing I used, which thing I like, so I used to purchase by money. And also the thing you are saying about like with money we can't buy parents. So we have recently so many examples, and there are so many examples also. Like the most famous example is like Michael Jackson. He used to buy his parents for his personality. So we can't say like without money we can't buy parents or our happiness.
Can you please repeat?
Okay, like I like football, and
Explain it in short. Michael Jackson purchased the parents.
yes, Michael Jackson purchased the parents.
No.
You can search it on Google. This thing is totally viral in networks too.
But if they really want the success or Michael Jackson?
Like both thing they want, because if the parents are here, so they want both thing. With money you can do anything.
No.
I think
I am not agree with you.
Valid. Good. Clap for you.